take a look at this proxy. It lasts for 30 days, that is for a month. And when you go ahead looking at the second one, you can actually see that it lasts for 24 hours. Now the decision is yours to know what you want to use this proxy for. Is it for survey, or is it something you actually want to use for a particular whole month to give you what you actually want? Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to get connected with this proxy and start using it for every of the stuffs you do online. Let's say you're actually using this particular proxy for service. Now this particular proxy is going to last long for you depending on the particular package you are purchasing. So right here I'm going to be talking about these two packages which we have. We have the daily package, okay, the daily package that lasts for 24 hours, and the other package that lasts for a month. Now this particular proxy is going to act as a VPN for a full month, so it's actually going to favor you that are into surveys or some other stuffs you do online. Instead of getting it daily, you're going to be having a full month of usage on proxy. Now if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. My name still remains Joaking. So without no further ado, let's dive into the business of today. But right now, before you can get started with this particular proxy and start having access to a lot of features that come with it, you need to set up an account for yourself. Now once you go ahead clicking the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought right into this interface. Now you need to take this particular option section very serious, where you have to input your name, put in an email address that is registered, put in a password and confirm your password. Make sure your details are details you can always remember. So once you're done, come down to where you can actually log into your account. So I'm going to log into my account right now because I already have an account right on this platform. So right here you can actually see that I'm logged into this particular platform which you can get your proxy. It is actually called the LT Easy. So right here you need to come right to where you can actually find my balance. You can see right here that I have a balance of $15. So you can see that I have a balance of $15 right here. Now how do you get this proxy? You can actually see the range of proxy when you come over to the home section right here. So when you come over to the home section right here, you are going to be seeing the plans you are supposed to get for your proxy. So I'm going to be walking you through on how you can purchase this proxy right on this platform. So as you can see, LT Easy premium mobile proxies with rotating IPs for higher trust, better deliverability, and seamless automation. So right here you can actually see this plan right here. So right here you can see this first plan which says choose the plan fits your workflow. So this rotating IP, I will not advise you go for it. Even this second one right here, I will not advise you go for it. So this is where I'm going to be focusing on the static and the custom IPs. Now you can actually see that this is actually a single IP and this is actually a custom plan. Okay, so I'm going to be explaining this right now. Now this single proxy, actually, as you can see, they have the proxy 5 and slash the HTTPS, they have the cellular slash the Wi-Fi, they have the price ranging from 0.9 to $1.3. Now when you come right here, you can actually see up to 3 MBs for 300 trends, which is awesome. Now 1 hour instant refund on disconnect, so you can actually get a refund for disconnection on your account because their customer service is actually very swift. Now when you come right here, you're going to be seeing dedicated single endpoint for speed sensitive tags and consistent section. So right here you will choose if to go for the static or to go for the custom. Now for those of you that are focusing on this static right here, the static of this platform is actually for 24 hours. Yes, it's for 24 hours because once you get your IP right here, you're going to be using it for 24 hours. It's going to last for you. Okay, so right here the 24 hours IP you're getting is actually cheaper on this platform, as you can see, ranging from $0.9, not even up to $1. So right here you can actually go for any of these, as these SOX 5 proxy are very reliable. Now to get started from this, you just have to come down to click on get started, or you go over to details. But before that, when you come right to custom right here, which I'm actually using, this custom you're seeing right here is actually the monthly plan which you can get right here. I mostly use this for service and I'm getting good results. Now when you come right here, you're going to be seeing custom plan, which is the SOX 5, the same thing, cellular and Wi-Fi, as low as $0.7 in a day. Now you're going to be getting up to 2 MB 300 friends, just like what we explained in the static. So when you come right here, you can see you can buy for up to 30 days. Now these IPs are going to be lasting for you for 30 days, and you're going to be having access just like the way you subscribe for your VPN. Now you can see IP rotating every 5 minutes to 30 minutes. Ability to select country, states, carrier, protocol, network. Rotating time allows changes to country, states, carrier, protocol after purchase. So right here, let's say we want to go right to details. Once you click on details right here, you're going to be seeing frequently asked questions which you can get access to. Okay, so you can see what is this particular platform. You can come right here and read through, and you're going to be getting answers to it. So you can see right here, so you can go through all these frequently asked questions, and you're going to be getting response to it. So right here, you can actually see that my balance is actually $15. Now before you can go ahead to get started with this particular proxy, let's say you have chosen the proxy you want to go for. Okay, so just come over to your home right here, or you can go over to this plan. Once you come over this hamburger icon, you can actually see that we have plans right here. Once you click on plans, you can see we have rotating US states, we have rotating country, we have single proxy, we have custom plan. Now this custom plan is what I want you to focus on, because it's actually the monthly plan, which is actually cheaper. So what you're going to be doing right now is to come right here, select the country, select the state, and the likes of it right here. But before that, you need to come over to your profile right here, to the home, where you can actually fund your account. As you can see right here, when you come over to the home balance right here, you can actually see that I have a balance of $15. Okay, so right here you can actually see that the minimum top up is actually $5, and you can top up using the BTC or the Litecoin. So what you're going to be doing to top up right here, once you click on top up right here, it's going to bring you over to this interface. Now what you're going to do is to select the range of which you want to fund your account. Now funding your account is actually just like you putting funds into your account. You can actually get a proxy of 0.1, 0.2, 0.7, 0.9. But what you just need to do is to make sure you have funded your account, and the minimum right here is $5. You're not going to be using the whole of your $5 right on this platform, because you have the plan you want to go for. So if you're going for a plan of 0.7 dollar, which is a cent, you can actually have a balance on your account. So right here, I already funded mine with $15 right here. So if you want to fund, come right here, select the amount you want to fund. Let's say we are funding $5 right here. You're going to be coming right here to go for either BTC or Litecoin. So you either choose which you're going for, then come right here and click on create payment. Okay, so once you click on create payment, you're going to be seeing the details right here, active transaction, current time, which is this. So you are going to be seeing the details right here. So this is the wallet address you're to send these funds to. Okay, so once you're done with this, you can actually go ahead to fund your account. Once you funded your account, it's going to reflect on your account just like the way you're seeing my balance right here. Now after funding your account, you can then come over to this particular interface where you see the plans. So you can go for rotating US states, you can go for rotating country, you can go for single proxy, or you can go for custom plan, depending on the one you want to go for. So but I decided to go for the custom plan, and I want you to also choose to go for the custom plan. Now once you go for the custom plan, you're going to be having access to this proxy for a full month. Okay, so right here we are going to come under country, and we are going to come right here. Let's say we are going for the United Kingdom. I'm going to come right here and select the United Kingdom. Now this is actually the country, and this is actually the state. Okay, so you are going to come right here and select network. Is it your Wi-Fi, or is it cellular, or is it any? So we are going to be leaving this as Wi-Fi right here, or cellular, which is your mobile phone. So the next thing you want to do is to connect the type, which is the SOX or the HTTP. Okay, so the carrier right here, you can come right here and select it. You can just leave it as BT or any of which right here. So rotating time is actually the time you want this IP to be rotating. Okay, so you can come right here and just put in the 5 minutes or 30 minutes, but I would advise you go over for the 30 minutes. Okay, once you click on the 30 minutes, now how many days do you want to get this? Okay, so this allows you to use this particular proxy for 30 days. So you can drag this like this, as you can see, you can use this for 13 days, then you can come right here and leave it at 30 days. Now the 30 days right here simply means you're using this proxy for a full month. Okay, you are having access to this proxy for totally full month. Then when you come right here, you're going to be seeing the units, which is the 2.50, and total is actually $30. So right here you can see the discount of 60%. So what you can actually do is to come right here and click on add to cart. So once you click on add to cart, you're going to be proceeding in getting this proxy. Okay, so now let's say you don't want to get this particular monthly plan. Let's come over to this particular plan right here, and let's select this particular single proxy, which is actually the static one right here. You can see that this is a single proxy where you can actually pick out all this right here. Choose the country, the state, the city, postal code, and everything you actually want right here, just the way you want it to appear. Then once you're done, you hit the filter right here, okay, or you can just come right here and pick what they already have right here. You can see they have the United States, the city, the postal code, the career, the everything you actually need right here. Or you can just come right under search and let's say United Kingdom right here. Okay, so once you type that, you're going to be seeing that United Kingdom proxy are going to be available right here. You can see that for yourself. Now let's say you're actually going for this. After selecting this, you just have to make sure you've chosen the one you want. Let's say you actually picked this first one. These are the details you'll be needing right here. So once you selected that, you come down and click on add to cart. Okay, so now once you click on add to cart, you'll be brought right here. You can actually see that this is actually 1 day and this is actually the amount you're paying. So you can actually see that the price is fair enough. Just for this particular 1 day proxy, you're paying 0.9 cents. Okay, so this is the total amount you're going to be paying right here. So you can see right here. So you need to come right here and select how you want this IP to appear, but I recommend you go over to select the user and the password. You can actually select either IP whitelist connection or you can select the user and password. So once you selected that, you're going to come right here and put in the discount code which you have gotten from this proxy and apply that. So once you apply that, you are going to be having your proxy activated right on this platform. So that is how to get your proxy under this plan. So the method I just showed you is the same method you're going to be using to get different proxy. Make sure you're selecting the country you want to use for your proxy. And so that is how simple and fair enough this platform works in getting your proxy. So if you have any questions right on this particular video, you can feel free to drop your comment on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to that. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value and understood all what I said in this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. So see you on my next video and keep winning.